My name is Richard DeShantz. I'm president and restaurateur of Richard DeShantz Restaurant Group. I own 6 restaurants in Pittsburgh, and we are working on 2 more by the end of the year. Our first restaurant was Meat Potatoes. Poulet Bleu was one of my newest restaurants, which actually won Restaurant of the Year this year. When I come home after a long day of work, I like to unwind and relax, open up my doors, grill out, have a beer, really just kind of, take it easy and decompress a little bit. There's, that once a week, I like to invite friends over, cook out, go to the market, bring fresh vegetables, so it's a balance. I have a kitchen's design where it's easy for multiple people working. We have 3 different islands, so we have different setups. Last week I had people rolling out tortilla shells, I had somebody making guacamole. So it's just kind of more of an interaction, so everyone can hang in one area, talk, enjoy, and then cook together. Right now, my favorite piece of equipment probably in this kitchen is my Wolf range, which has a griddle on it. I use the griddle almost every single day. What I like about it, it heats up fast. I cook breakfast on it. I make grilled cheeses on it. It's easy to wipe down. It's easy to clean. So as a chef, you're in and out. So I'm always on the move. So I like about it, I could turn it on, get it hot, get ready, come down, cook a whole breakfast on it. I put my eggs on it, I put bacon on it, I put toast on it, I put hash browns on it. When I'm done, I just wipe it down, scrape it down, and I'm out the door. So right now, it's the piece of equipment that I use almost every single day.